In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Apple Watch Series 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a Wi-Fi connection on any Apple Watch model is extremely simple. I'm going to be talking about the Apple Watch Series 3 specifically, but these instructions will work with any Apple Watch model. To do this, first you can open the control center and you will find the Wi-Fi icon here. Alternatively, you can head over into the settings, and inside of the settings, you will also have network options, including Wi-Fi. So if you go to the control center, you can tap once to enable or disable it, or tap and hold to see additional options. And if you go to the settings, you will find the option to enable or disable Wi-Fi here. So of course, make sure that it is enabled. Once Wi-Fi has been enabled, now you need to choose a Wi-Fi network. You will see all nearby networks here. You will see the signal strength, alongside if the network is protected with a password. Once you find the network that you would like to connect into, you can select it and of course input the password. Once you type out the password, it will be connected. You will know that a Wi-Fi network is active because this icon will begin glowing blue. So if it is grayed out, even though you have connected to a network, you can tap on it once and it is going to start glowing to indicate that Wi-Fi is now active and ready to use. You can switch networks at any point, and if you scroll all the way down, you will have the option to forget previous Wi-Fi networks. As long as you enable Wi-Fi through here and you choose a valid network, you will be able to use it. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.